Hey guys, welcome back to kiarabharris. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So today I'm about to get my hair cut. It is long overdue. It's been over a month since I got a haircut. Okay y'all, so that's what my hair is looking like right now. And of course y'all already know who cutting my hair. Hubby is about to cut me up. Hopefully he's about to hook me up. I think I want to do, no, I don't want to do no part because my hair is already kind of thin on the sides. I was thinking about doing, you know, like the line going all the way back like we did last time. I was thinking about doing that. But I don't know what he's going to do. I'm just going to let him do his thing and we're going to see what he decides to do. So my only request is I do want my hair to be cut low because yeah, I don't plan on getting another haircut for a little minute. So I do want it to be cut low. Not bald, but low. This is the benefits of having a husband who can cut hair, because if he couldn't cut hair, I probably wouldn't have shaved sides, because that means I would have to go to the barbershop. And I don't like going to barbershops. So just the benefits of having a husband who can cut hair. But if you cut your own hair, leave a comment down below. That's something that I want to learn how to do. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and a haircut with me today. I'm actually about to get ready to take a shower now. I'm marking my eczema on the back of my neck. I have a whole entire video of how I care for the back of my neck to prevent breakouts. So make sure you guys go check out that video and I'll link it down in the description box. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.